Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start now by preparing the items. Inspect seams and zippers and remove surface debris so the treatment works evenly. Next, add Nikwax Down Wash direct to the detergent drawer or drum. Use 1/2 cap for a typical front loader load, 1 full cap for a top loader. Set the machine to a gentle wash at about 30–40 degrees Celsius and choose an extra rinse cycle. This removes residues. Once set, load the jacket or sleeping bag evenly and begin the wash immediately to avoid prolonged. Once the main wash finishes, check for any remaining suds or spots. If you see soap, run an extra rinse cycle to fully clear residues that harm down performance. If certain areas still feel greasy, take the piece out and hand agitate those spots in a basin with a diluted 1/2 cap solution, then rinse thoroughly. Make sure spin speed stays low, under about 800 RPM, to prevent crushing the fill. Gentle handling now preserves loft and ensures the Nikwax treatment binds properly to the down. You finish by drying thoroughly. Tumble on low heat with 2–3 clean tennis balls or dryer balls to break clumps and restore loft. Aim for 90–120 minutes and stop to manually separate clumps every 20–30 minutes. Make sure the item is uniformly dry, no cool or damp spots, because remaining moisture causes odor and loss of insulation. If clumping persists, rewash once with Nikwax Down Wash direct and repeat the low-heat drying and periodic fluffing. This troubleshooting step normally restores even loft.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.